Around the world, the close relationship between animals and human beings gives an important link between us and nature. Animals captivate us with a sort of magic, inasmuch as that they are utilized in therapy. Dogs are a human's best friend. But actually, all pets are human beings' best friend precisely because they are an organic remedy for health. The tips of our fingers are amazingly receptive. As a result, just caressing a pet has straight physical consequence on our bodies. Pet owners are most likely to have lower cholesterol and blood pressure, and this implies that their chances of a heart attack and stroke are lessened. Presently, hospitals all over the world are utilizing all kinds of animals as a type of natural therapy. Animal contact boosts children's spirits and helps them recuperate rather faster.
She's going to say which way.
Patients with restricted mobility are encouraged to exercise so that they recuperate faster. Researchers have discovered that young patients who have contact with animals in fact experience less pain. Pets in houses and hospitals are considered to be a superb indirect way to help us get better. But at times, animal therapy is a rather vigorous affair. Riding is a fantastic exercise. Just 10 minutes on a horse needs vigorous movements of various muscles. A horse's mobility helps the muscles to lighten up and is good for steadiness and harmonization. For people unable to walk, riding helps the pelvis move, which is just like walking. Riding can yield remarkable results. After riding, a few people have even walked and spoken for the first time. Riding is quite daring, but for the best in animal therapy, you'd better be ready to get drenched. In the open sea and at an unusual center in Florida, kids and adults can go swimming with dolphins. The happiness we feel after a close meeting like this can be somewhat attributed to the dolphin's sonar system. The sonar waves enter our bodies, making modifications in our brain activity and body chemistry. Some doctors believe that dolphins improve neurological and movement-related problems in kids. Kids with learning disabilities have shown remarkable progress after swimming with dolphins. For a long, fit and contented life, it looks like we can all gain from a little animal therapy.